Hello and welcome to FMRevu. I am your host, Freddie Robinson, and in today's video, I'll be going over the
U80 Smart Watch by EasySMX.
Inside the box, you get the smartwatch, a user's guide, and a micro USB cable. The user's guide is compact, however it's very informative and it includes diagrams, steps for connection, and Bluetooth information. And now I'll turn this on and go through the setup menu. You come to a welcome screen. I do like that it has a built-in speaker, and that's relatively loud. On the right side you have a power button. If you press that, then the screen lights up, comes on, and it's interactive. On this display screen you have your Bluetooth indication, AM, FM, and your battery strength. You also have your time displayed and your calendar, and then a few little small icons for some apps that if you wanted to pin up to have easy access to. Along the bottom you do have some buttons. This represents menu, this represents back, and the middle button represents your phone. And now going a little bit further into the menus, if you press the menu button, you can see that you have some options for Bluetooth, dialer, messages, and phone book. And if you wanted to interact with that in any way, you would just swipe it. And now I'd like to go over some of the features and specs for the U80 Smart Watch. You have talk time of 3 hours. The screen is a capacitive screen. The standby time is 160 hours. The rechargeable battery is a 230 milliamp polymer battery, and it does support multiple languages. As far as the functions of this watch, you have answer and dial calls. You have a phone book, a pedometer, a sleep monitor, Bluetooth music, a stopwatch, an alarm clock, a Bluetooth camera, Bluetooth notice, vibration, drink alarm, rest alarm, and anti-lost feature. And now let's take a closer look at the watch. You can see that it does have a reflective surface, and it does pick up fingerprints relatively easy. You can see that it has 3 buttons along the bottom, and for those 3 buttons, this would be the menu or the confirm function. This would be dial or page up or volume function, and on the far right you do have the back and hang up function. And now turning this to the side, on the left you have a speaker at the top, a USB port in the middle, and a microphone at the bottom. On the far right side you have a simple power button. And in case you were curious about the bottom, it's just a stainless steel finish. And you do have a kind of a waterproof, sweat-proof polyurethane band. It does have a stainless steel buckle and a smooth floating strap keeper. I do like the flexibility of this band. It seems like it's just super soft, and I believe that'll make an overall comfortable feel. As a matter of fact, the overall weight of the watch is very light. It's to the point where I have other watches such as a G-Shock that makes this feel featherweight. Cheers to another awesome FMRevu. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to keep more awesome FMRevus coming your way. But I did find in the beginning that swiping it has kind of a tricky feel to it. If you just press and swipe, sometimes it'll open up rather than swipe. So if you wanted to go to your menu, see, there you go. Back. Let's go back. Calls, back. And this is what I'm having. This is the example I'm trying to show you. I want to swipe, but it seems like it's just going inside of the actual app. There's nothing connected, but see, what I would like to do is just swipe back and forth. So I do think that there's going to be a little bit of a learning curve on the sensitivity of interacting with the menus here. And I found that it's easier if you just kind of have a rather than a just slight swipe surface level, kind of touch and then hold, or touch and then swipe. because if you do the swipe in a sense of where it's just a little a swipe on the go may actually open up the app. See, just like that. But all that being said and put aside for a later time, I do like this watch.